well. Welcome to
Thank you so much.
Canada.
Thank you.
Let's talk about serious stuff, and that's fire. Unfortunately, we have a lot of fire in Mazamayetu and in Hamburg. Breathe, see, the air goes in here, filters, and it takes out the smoke so you can breathe. First important rule is that do not cause fires, do not play with fire. Raise the alarm. If there's a fire, stay away because the firefighters can do